Most people think ships need to stop for repairs. But the truth is, many fixes happen while the vessel is still sailing across the ocean. Large commercial ships almost never stop moving because every single hour costs a fortune in fuel, crew time, and schedule delays. We're talking tens of thousands of dollars. This is why undermove repairs are so critical. Onboard engineers are trained to handle everything. In a hot, vibrating engine room, they replace filters, fix fuel pumps, and even rebuild parts of the main engine while the ship powers forward. For some issues, like adjusting a propeller shaft or repairing hydraulics, the ship might slow down, but it won't stop. Then there's underwater repair. Divers can meet the ship at a port or even board at sea to clean propellers, inspect the hull, and apply temporary patches. For major emergencies, technicians are flown in by helicopter to perform urgent repairs. All this incredible work happens behind the scenes, ensuring your goods arrive on time and keeping the global supply chain moving. This is AirSeaExplained. Subscribe for more.